Hello guys, welcome back to AMbros Custom. So today we want to thank all our subscribers who helped us in reaching out 1000 subscriber milestone. And we think for any new YouTuber it's a great achievement, and we think that in future you guys able to help us in reaching not just 100,000 subscribers but much more than that. So tell you a little bit about the channel. Back in March 2017 we started this channel and decided to make custom builds which you cannot find anywhere else. And now almost 1 year has been passed and we achieved this 1000 subscriber milestone. It's been a great honor for us, and we must confess that without you guys this task is impossible to achieve. We struggle a lot getting these 1000 subscribers, and it felt awesome to saw this number onto the channel page. That's why to celebrate this achievement we decided to make a custom Granite play button for ourselves. The play button is made by my brother and he did a fantastic job on this build and carved this play button. The rest of the work is done by me. Again, this video is dedicated to all my subscribers, and thanks a ton for showing your trust on our channel. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. So without further wasting any more time, let's build it.